Ôi nang cái nó automatic slow mà sao nói rồi. Chẳng không.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yang khuding mo housing lay situation siga akhoi aksang se physical involvement to yam bathak ta atu di housing lay situation siga akhoi aksang sig immunity system se in strong anyway damak to workout amasung any activities perform to important ni alu damak ta ngasi video siga mayang damak ta equipment yaudna akhoi aksang sig full body workout command perform to gone I share to jage. So let's begin the workout.
Ôi nang cái nó automatic slow mà sao nói rồi. Chẳng không.
Nasi easy amaso effective over workout se mayang khuding mangna 3 set repeat view adu exercise khuding mo 3 set repeat view aduga diet adu fat loss na traga any muscle gain ki diet ki damakta ai channel da mayam visit to view aduga ngasi video se like share amasung ai channel si subscribe to ko bigano. Thank you.